guys, so we are now looking at the review of what we've done with piecewise functions and with rational. Okay, so let's go back to the very beginning of the fun piecewise. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make this color orange. So y equals 2x plus 3. Okay, x is less than negative 1. Remember, I have to use negative 1. And because there's no equal to bar, we have an open dot. Now, I need a number less than negative 1. I'm going to choose negative 2, and I'm going to make this my guide. So we're going to plug negative 1 in here. So 2 times negative 1 plus 3, we're going to get 1. I'm going to take this off. Okay, and then 2 times negative 2 plus 3 is negative 1. So we're going to get a point negative 1, 1, open, and negative 2, negative 1. And remember, guides get an x. So negative 1, 1, open. Negative 2, negative 1 is a guide. So we're going to go through there. I'm going to be honest, that's a pretty decent line there. Okay. Now, we're going to go to the next equation. So y equals 2x minus 2. And that's from negative 1 to 3. So we're going to do negative 1, and we're going to do 3. Equal to bar, closed. And we also have a closed again here at 3. So 2 times negative 1 minus 2 is negative 4. And 2 times 3 minus 2 is positive 4. So we're going to get negative 1, negative 4, closed, and 3, 4, closed. So negative 1, negative 4, closed, and 3, positive 4. Okay, closed. I'm going to go grab me another color. Okay, I've kind of run out of some room, so I'm going to use this space, y equals x minus 3, where x is bigger than 3. So I'm going to use 3, no equal to bar, open. I need a number bigger than 3, 4. This is going to be my guide. So 3 minus 3 is 0, and 4 minus 3 is 1. So I'm going to have the point 3, 0, open, and 4, 1 as a guide. 3, 0, open, 4, 1, a guide. Okay. That seems a lot of fun. Okay, so now, I hope you notice, first off, no lines cross, no lines are going in the same direction, and I don't have a closed or an open on both, on each line. Okay, so here we go. Y equals 2x plus 1, where x is greater than negative 1. So we need negative 1, open. I need a number smaller than negative 1, negative 2. Remember, this is my guide. So 2 times negative 1 plus 1 is negative 1. And then 2 times negative 2 plus 1 is negative 3. So we get negative 1, open. And then negative 2, negative 3, guide. So negative 1, open. Negative 2, negative 3. So the last thing that I saw a lot of my students is please make sure you're graphing the right points. Ooh, let's get that out of the way. Okay, so just be careful. Take your time. Okay, let me change color again. Oops, I didn't circle what I was doing. There's that. There's that. It's 2 minus 4. Okay. I need -1 closed. And I need a number bigger than -1. So I'm going to choose 0. And again, I had to come up with that number, so it's a guide. So 2 times -1 minus 4, -6. And then 2 times 0 minus 4 is -4. So we have -1, -6, closed, 0, -4, guide. Okay. -1, -6, whoop, all the way down there, and 0, 4. Please be careful. Some of y'all are guilty of putting -4, 0. Okay, and we have that. Okay, not too bad. Not too shabby. Okay, I'm going to change a different color. I feel like changing. Okay, so let's talk about these down here. So these right here refer up to here. And let's see. I don't know. Let's see if I can pull up my camera and get really far. Okay, so F is 3. So is it less than -1? Between -1 and 3, and notice this 3 is equal to 3. So this is the formula or the equation I'm going to use. Because this one doesn't include 3. This one does. So that would be 2 times 3 minus 2, which is 4. Okay. 0. It's not less than -1, but it is between -1 and 3 again. Ooh. So we're going to do 2 times 0. Can y'all see that? Minus 2, which is -2. Let's try -1. Dang, -1, guess what? It's not in the first one because it doesn't equal -1. Notice here, it does equal -1. So, we're going to do 2 times -1 minus 2, and that gives me -4. Okay, we have a 4. 4 is bigger than 3, so we're going to use the last equation. So 4 minus 3 is 1. Okay. Let's come over here. Let's see, can I get both in? -2. Is -2 less than -1 or bigger than -1? Correct. It is less than -1. So this will be 2 times -2 plus 1, which is -3. I'm so sorry, I almost cut that off. Okay, -1. We need to look for the equal to bar, so it's going to be the second equation. So 2 times -1, oopsies, minus 4. Ooh, good comeback, right? And that's -6. Okay, 0. Is it less than -1 or bigger than -1? Correct, it is bigger than -1. So 2 times 0 minus 4 is -4. And then 5. Is 5 less than -1 or bigger than -1? It is bigger than -1, so this will be 2 times 5 minus 4. So 10 minus 4 is 6. Okay, I hope this has helped for the piecewise portion for the review for your quiz. I wish you luck, guys.